right, so for this one, I just tried to find a simple way to play this one. If you want, you can play that intro thing. If you don't want to, you could just strum an A chord there. But I thought I would just show you that real quick. So it's just, I'm just plucking the A string twice with a little bit of a palm mute. So you just set your side of your hand down by the bridge and you pluck twice, and then you're gonna set your index finger 2nd fret of G. You're gonna do the same thing, just one pluck. So you got that's the rhythm. All right, then you get into the strum pattern. So you're going to start with an A chord, index finger 2nd fret of D, middle finger 2nd fret of G, ring finger 2nd fret of B. So the strum pattern I'm using is down, down, up, up, down, down, up. Time a little slower. Down, down, up, down, down, up. All right, and then you're going to go to an E minor. So you're going to hop your index and middle finger up 1 string each. So index finger 2nd fret of A, middle finger 2nd fret of D. Same strum pattern. Then you're going to go to B minor. Now I tried to find a way where you don't have to play a bar chord, so you just set your index finger 2nd fret of high E, middle finger 3rd fret of B, ring finger 4th fret of D, pinky 4th fret of G. And if you can, try to mute out the low E and the A, and just focus your strum from the D string through the high E. Again, same exact strum pattern, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then it'll go back to the A. Down, down, up, down, down, up. Then the pattern starts over from the A. So you'll hear that throughout most of the song. You'll hear that exact pattern with those 3 chords, the A, E minor, B minor, back to the A. However, every once in a while, I believe it's at the end of each chorus, you'll hear them go up to a D chord at the end of the chorus. So that'll sound like this. And then back into the main strum pattern, or the main progression. So just going up to that D, you could either just strum it once, do a whole note strum, or you can strum through the pattern. Right? So that's your choice. If you wanted to strum through the pattern, it would sound like this. So that's what it would sound like. So yeah, pretty simple, straightforward, 4 chords. And then of course, if you want to play the little you can play that. But yeah, hopefully this lesson was helpful for you. Go ahead, hit the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next video.